boy. This is...
Holy jeez.
Oh, my gorgeous.
Oh my God.
This is spectacular.
Look at how different this looks now.
It's beautiful. So open, it's huge.
Go through that kitchen. Remember what was here before.
I don't want to.
Look at the cabinets.
The lodgy feel, making it feel cozy, comfortable, updated. Adding a window so we can see the lake.
It's incredible.
believe
It's
it.
incredible.
Oh
Oh my God.
Head on in to this new living room. This used to be the end of the house.
This was and, yeah.
What used
We
to
are
be outside is inside.
This is spectacular.
The roof line used to come into here.
Yeah.
You had open trusses on the ceiling.
No words can explain, I'm so happy.
It's doubled the amount of living space you have in this property. That is a huge asset. Dining area.
This makes way more sense than what
Doesn't this make a lot more sense? This is where you shoved in your living room and dining area
Yes.
before.
Yes.
And how about the fact that this isn't a storage closet anymore?
Bonus.
How good does that look?
That is perfect. I couldn't picture it when you were going to open it up, that it would be so spectacular.
But there's still lots to see.
Oh. Oh my God, this is perfect.
This was the kitchen.
This was the kitchen.
This was the
This was the kitchen.
It opens up the whole front entrance
It does.
here, right?
Huge improvement. This is so much better.
Let's head upstairs.
Oh my gosh, this is spectacular. Oh, look at it. It's
Beautiful.
gorgeous. It's perfect. Beautiful.
Let's take a look down the hall.
Okay.
Wow.
Oh my goodness, this is spectacular. This is
Incredible.
so cool. I would never think that bunk beds could have fit in here, especially with a queen.
Beautiful.
You ready?
Oh,
Oh, wow. This is so pretty.
stunning.
If you remember what this was like, there was a closet over here, there was a wall over here, the tub was falling apart and the surround was all broken. So we cleared everything out. And now look at this walk-in shower. Better use of space. This feels huge.
Beautiful. Oh my goodness.
Think about what this room looked like before.
That blue carpet.
Oh my. This is a very
Gorgeous.
special room.
It's beautiful.
Now you can walk straight out to the lake.
Wow. Oh, this is gorgeous.
Wow.
You got the hot tub.
Yay.
Check out this fire pit area.
Oh, how cute is
Wow.
that? Oh,
Very
I love
nice.
that.
Pergola over here as well.
This is beautiful.
Check out this new dock we put in.
Dock is
Wow.
beautiful.
Beautiful.
Yes.
Oh, this is nice.
Wow.
Wow, it's big.
Come on, you have to admire looking back at your property now. Lakeside
Gorgeous.
Lodge.
It's elegant, it's luxurious, it's beautiful. When I bought it, I would never, ever, ever have imagined it's going to look like this.